What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today, as from the title you can see, we are going to try out some clothes from Coopz.com. Before that, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a new video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. That's the package which I got from Coopz.com. There is another package, they both look quite similar. There are a few stuffed inside. So first I'm going to show you the new trending jeans I've got. Okay, so if someone is not aware what is Coopz is an online site, Indian site, maybe Indian site, I don't know, they ship all over the country, all over the world. I'm not aware of that. I guess it is an Indian site. So this is the jeans I got from them. I have tried out many other clothes from them. They are nice. Their clothes qualities are really nice. This costed me rupees 1499. I hope you can see this costed me rupees 1499. Actually this doesn't costed me 1499. This were in sale. This costed me rupees about 1000ish. Yeah, this costed me rupees a bit of 1000. So this is what the jeans look like. These are very thin basic jeans. They have a bit of distressed over here and this side, and I don't have any jeans in this color. So I love jean in this color actually, but I never owned one. This is in size 32 if you're curious. So I'm going to try this out and show you how it looks on me. So I hope you can see this is how the jeans look like. The fit of the jeans is like really nice. It's not bad, like there's no extra fabric, but I'm only concerned about the extra fabric over here. You can see it's folding over here. I don't know it is due to their sewing process or there's very extra fabric. There is obviously very much extra fabric, but there is a lot of extra fabric over here. This is in size 32 and I am in size 32, but and also this back size, you can see this is a little bit baggy on this side. I like jeans which fit my butts, which hug my curves. I don't have much curves, but they doesn't actually, like there's a lot of fabric, excess fabric which is unwanted. So if I am in 32 size, I want my jeans to actually fit myself, but I hope you can see there is a lot of extra fabric, but the material is all over nice. These are very inexpensive jeans for regular use, so I have no high hopes, but still they are a good jeans, pair of jeans, like for everyday wear. They are a little bit of distress and they are also distressed in your ankle length. I hope you can see, and the jeans is ankle length only. You can wear them in a higher rib waist, but I wear them up to here and they come to my this ankle length. So next I'm going to try out this pair of jeans. This costed me rupees, let me see, this costed me rupees 1699. This costed me rupees 1699. I hope you can see, they not actually costing me rupees 1699. They are in 800 or 850 something. You can see already the bottom of the jeans is very nice. It's very nice. I'm in size 32 and this is how the jeans look like. This is also in size 32 obviously. This is the side panel of the jeans. It's a fiery symbol. This is what actually grabbed my eye. I really like this pattern. I have nothing like this in my jean collection, so obviously I bought a jean like this, and the lower half is also very nice. And to the touch, the fabric is very nice. The jean quality is very nice. There is a little bit of distress over here. As you can see, it's not much, but it is there. It adds to a look, and yeah, this is nice. Okay, the second thing I see is that it doesn't have a knob. Where is the knob? The jean cream broken. I've opened them a bit ago, but I haven't seen. Okay, they were in the pocket, so as you can see, the jean knob was already broken. Still, I'm going to try this out and show you guys how it looks on me. Apart from this breakage, I hope this jean will be nice, as the quality feels very nice, and I hope you can see the pattern came as it is in the Coop site. I will link everything in the description. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. I always link everything in the description. So now I'm going to try this and show you guys. So I hope you can see the pair of jeans looks very nice. The fit is also very nice. It's a bit loose because there is no like button over here, and it's going down. You can see the lower back fit is very nice. The pattern, oh my god, the pattern is everything, and the quality of the jean is very nice. The fit is very comfortable, and the excess fabric I was talking about in the other jeans, I hope you can see there's no excess fabric, like there nothing folding over here. And this is my ankle length. I'm about a height of 5'11", so this is of my ankle length. I hope you can see it's up till here. It's not stretching, like as I hope you can see it's not stretching itself. It's a very nice material. The material is very soft. Like compared to these jeans, this pair of jeans, this material is like really soft. This is also soft, but this material is much more softer and much more nice. This pattern, the side pattern is very nice, and I'm in size 32. My height is 5'11", and this fits me very well. This is up till my ankle length, and I'm in love with the jeans, except I'm going to give this a like 7 or so, as because of the button it came torn out. It's not of a big deal. I can fix that in any shop or any tailor. I can do it myself also. So next I got this hindwear from the Cruise.com. This is a sweater. So this is how it looks like. Actually, the sweater I saw on the site, I was like obsessed due to a small reason. I'm going to reveal that right now. This cost me rupees 2199. I hope you can see. No, they didn't cost me rupees 2199. They were like around like 1200 or 1000 maybe. I will give the link in the description. I hope you will go and check it out. This is in size M. If you're curious, I am in size M. Okay, this is like upside down. I have to rotate them, and my eye got caught in particular this sweater just because of this awesome side. Like I have never worn something like this. The material of this is really soft. This is a bit of a heavier side sweater just because the climate of India is very tropical, very hot. So still I bought this just because I'm in love with the sweater. I hope I can wear this, so I'm going to try this out and show you next. So I hope you can see the sweater. This is a really nice sweater. Like I hope you can see the side. They're like this. They're revealing from the side. They're really nice. You can tie them up, like you can tie them up tightly, so there is no revealing part. But I worn them like this. Like you can wear them like this also. It's very nice. It's very comfy and very soft to touch. These are not the sweater which will like poke you. Like have you like tried those hard stiff sweater materials like that will poke you, choke you? Like I don't like that. These are really soft. This is nothing such. This is really soft. But one thing I came into notice that this stitching, the stitching of here and the side stitching of this is not really well done. Like the finish is not nice of the sweater. Like if you look very closely, if you look from the far, it's very nice, it's very soft, the quality is overall very good, but the finishing of the sweater is not very nice. I can see few like threads coming out from here and there. It's not of a big deal, I can cut them out, but the thing is, still if I'm buying something, if I'm paying money for something, I will like, I want, as I'm a customer, like my full satisfaction is their need. Like they should have done the finishing a bit nicer. That's what my demand is. Overall the sweater is very nice. So now I'm going to try out 2 or 3 more products like which I have bought from Cruise. But I'm warning you guys, like I'm not warning, I'm just giving this a disclaimer that these are not still in the site. I have bought them like many months back, and I was searching for them in the site and they were no longer available. So still if I find them, I will link them in my description. Otherwise you can buy them from like any other site. I don't know whether they will be available, the same thing will be available or not, but I bought them from Coops and they are not really available right now. But still, as I have bought them before from Coops, so I thought of including them in this video as I haven't got the chance to wear them. They're still brand new. So I got this thing. So this is a jogger type of a thing. This is a jogger type of a pant. I don't know it's a jogger or a, like I don't know what it is. It's a not a jogger actually. It's a straight military like camo print pant. This costed me rupees 1699. I don't know. I don't remember actually how much it costed me at that time. It shows 1699, so I'm saying in 1699. This is 82 centimeter 32 in size. My waist is 32 and this is 82 centimeters. So I'm going to try this out and show you how it looks. So I hope you can see the pant is in size 32. It's 82 centimeter. This fits me like very nicely. You can see it hugs all my curves like the, but I'm not like the lower part look like this. It have lot of pockets. As you can see, the pockets are like really sturdy. Like you can have a gun, you can lure a like bank with the help of this pocket. These are this sturdy. They're like really stiff. We have to open this button first. Like they camouflage the button with another layer of like fabric. It's very thoughtful. You have a pocket over here as well. There is a lot of pockets, I guess, yeah. And you have similar pocket like here, and you have pocket on your back. You have to open the buttons for that, and they have hid every button with the extra piece of fabric. This is a very thoughtful pant. This is a very old-fashioned, but still camo is always in style. I'm in love with camo. This goes very well with this t-shirt. Not only with this t-shirt, camos goes with every color you want. White, black, blue, jeans, whatever you want. Camo goes with everything. The fit is very nice. The color camo is always my favorite, and the fabric. Let's come to the fabric. The fabric is very okay. It's not very the best I have worn. This is not the worst I have worn. It's a good quality camo pant, so I like it. So I will try and link this pant in the bio if I get that. Like next I'm going to try out this t-shirt. Like this costed me rupees what it costed me. It costed me rupees 499. I hope you can see it costed me rupees 499. This is in 1.02 meters and this is in size M. So I hope you can see this is a very nice t-shirt. I don't remember actually the cartoon, what cartoon character is this, but I used to watch this all the time. So I'm going to try it out and show you next. So as you can see, the t-shirt looks very good. It's not like very tight fitting, it's very breathable. You can see there's a lot of gap, although it's not like stuck to my body, and even though it shows on my body structure, it's not a box like t-shirt. I like it very well, and as I told you, camo goes with everything. You can see it goes with this white very well. It looks very nice. The fabric is, like as I said, it's a like normal t-shirt quality. What do you expect from 500 rupees? It's a very nice quality t-shirt and I hope you buy it. I'm not affiliated with Jio. Sorry, not Ajio, with Scoops. Why I'm calling this Ajio all the time. So I'm not affiliated with Coops.com. If you wish to buy it, you can buy it. This is my personal opinion that this t-shirt is like really good, as well as this pant. So next I'm going to try out a plain t-shirt, like plain t-shirt from Coops, not from the Coops, from the Coops.com. Sorry, how can I forget? This is a plain t-shirt. Like I hope you can see there's nothing much going on. This is in size M. It's 95 centimeter and this costed me rupees 799. Okay, I'm not aware of the cost price as I bought them many months back, so I'm telling this repeatedly. I don't remember the cost. This is written 799. This is what I'm telling. If I get this in the link, I will share the link. If I find this out, I will share the links. But the t-shirts and the jeans I have tried before, the sweater and the both of the jeans, I will link them for obviously. So I'm going to try this out and show you how it looks. So I hope you can see this is the t-shirt. The main thing I'm going to talk about at first, the quality. The t-shirt I tried before, like this t-shirt, quality is nice, like quality was nice, but this quality is much more like softer in touch. I like this quality much more. There is a like band like over here which like cinched my hands and it makes me look like I have some kind of muscles, but I don't have any. The fitting is very nice. It's in size M. I told you the centimeter, I forgot actually. It's a very nice t-shirt overall. This polo with a neckline t-shirt is like very soft to touch. If you wish to buy it, it's very nice. The color is also very like purplish gray, like this bluish purplish gray. I like this kind of a gray. I never had this kind of a gray actually. See, camo goes with everything, as I've told you. See, camo is going with this also. So that's it for today, guys. This is the full haul that I got from Coobs.com. So I hope you like this haul and try to buy this, and I will link everything in the bio. This is from Coobs.com and this is a total haul. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Hope you like it, and subscribe and give a like. It will help me out to keep the lights on in this video. So thank you guys. Give a thumbs up button so I can keep making these videos and try on more clothes for you guys. So thank you guys. See you guys later.